So there are several reasons why dental implants can fail. The first of which involves the surgical planning and execution of the case. Improper size, improper positioning, and improper angulation can lead to poor outcomes. The second reason why dental implants can fail is due to the actual denture itself. If it's not fabricated in a way that it can be cleansable, that can lead to poor outcomes with its long-term care. Equally important is the actual occlusion, or the way the bite comes together, meaning the way the upper and lower teeth touch each other. If undue stress is put on one side versus the other, that can lead to problems with the long-term care. The third reason why dental implants can fail is due to a lack of long-term maintenance. Here at Fusion Implant Centers, we're able to provide long-term care for the denture and the implants through scheduled follow-ups that we're able to make sure it's being cleaned properly, that it's being looked after properly, that everything is proceeding as it should, so that patients can have a lifelong smile and lifelong function.